The air code CH106 on an LG air conditioner indicates a problem with the outdoor unit fan. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including a wrong fan motor assembly, malfunctioning fan motor wiring, or a bad power supply. To fix this issue, it is necessary to check the fan motor assembly, which can be found in the air conditioner. The coil should be checked to see if it is disconnected or shorted, and if so, it should be reconnected or replaced. Additionally, the insulation should be inspected for damage and replaced if necessary. If the overall assembly is locking up, it should be reassembled or replaced. The fan's wiring should also be checked, specifically the U, V, and W connections, which should be properly placed and not disconnected. Furthermore, the power voltage should be checked to ensure that the power to the inverter 1 and 2 terminals on the main PCB is not under 13.5 VDC. If it is, the power and wiring should be rechecked, and the wires should be reassembled or replaced if necessary. By following these steps, the air code CH106 can be resolved.